And shift our focus to another big story. A major political storm has erupted over senior BJP leader Ram Madhav's remarks on India's energy and trade policy with the United States of America. Speaking at a panel in Washington, Ram Madhav made a series of claims suggesting India had made significant concessions to Washington, including on Russian and Iranian oil imports and tariff decisions. Ram Madhav said India had agreed to stop buying oil from Iran as well as Russia. He also suggested that India had accepted a 50% US tariff without significant protest. He used these remarks to argue that India was already doing enough in cooperation with the United States of America. Listen in.
We lagged behind. We agreed to stop buying oil from Iran. We agreed to stop buying oil from Russia. Facing so much criticism from our Indian opposition, we agreed for 50% tariffs. Agreed means we did not say anything. We maintained our patience. 50% tariffs we agreed. Today, in the new trade deal also, we agreed for 18% tariffs, higher than what it used to be. Average tariff. So where is India lagging behind in that? What are those issues that where India is not doing enough?
We have some breaking inputs coming in. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has now launched a scathing attack on the RSS over remarks by Ram Madhav on the India-US ties, alleging that they expose the organization's true nature and accusing it of promoting Farzi nationalism from Nagpur. So this is the latest update that we are getting at this point in time. Now there is a political war of words that has started over the remarks that were made by Ram Madhav earlier. Let's go across to Kritika, joining us live right now for more on this. Kritika, a scathing attack there coming in from Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha. He's targeting the RSS over what Ram Madhav said. But then later, a clarification also came from Ram Madhav's sides on social media platform X.
Well, right, we have the clarification from Ram Madhav, wherein he's saying that his statements were factually incorrect and were only, in fact, made to pinpoint a particular counterpoint that he was making in that discussion on India-US relationships in the Washington, D.C. However, now the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has taken cognizance of these statements as well and stated that it is not RSS but the Rashtriya. In fact, he said that Ram Madhav is guilty of servitude to the United States. That is what he has said. Earlier, also remember when the US trade deal was announced, Rahul Gandhi as well as the Congress party were at the forefront of calling the Prime Minister as Narendra Surrender. And again, we are hearing the surrender remark being made for RSS as well. So, of course, these comments are being made by Rahul Gandhi, even as a clarification has come in from Ram Madhav, wherein he is also stating that the comments made by him as far as the cessation of purchase of oil from Russia, as well as the lack of protest as far as India is concerned with the 50% tariffs that were imposed by the United States. Both of these statements were factually incorrect. Over to you.
In fact, like you were telling us, he has called it Rashtriya Surrender Sangh. So he has clearly added this surrender issue to, this entire matter as well. He's used this word previously in the parliament to target the Prime Minister as well. Thank you, Kritika, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on and shift our focus